This is what my daughter got me for Christmas. These are the dishes that I'm going to start collecting. I do love them. I do have a few pieces of these dishes already. And she got me a couple of cups. I will probably only buy sets of 2s because they take up a lot of space, but I do love them. And I know you all know I love gardening. And this is mostly the themes of the dishes I want to collect have something to do with gardening, butterflies, insects. These are things that I really enjoy. I haven't opened them yet. They're still in their containers, so we'll probably have Tea Tuesday next week with these, and I'll be putting them in a tea setup. I'm still getting over being really sick, so I'm lucky I even am doing this much. And I thought it made a beautiful display. What do you think? I just love everything to do with it. So this is Tea Tuesday. It's an open collab. Anyone can join in. And you can talk about anything you want. You don't even have to talk about gardening. That's just what Grandma loves best of all, is gardening. And as you can see, I'm getting sidetracked again. Let's see if we can show it. Probably not. Oh, well, anyway, there is spoons to go with it. Up there, I finally got a picture of the spoons to go match the cups. So our hostess is Life with Patty and Kathy's Favorite Things. They're both awesome creators. Please go check out their channels and see what they do. Please check out the playlist. A lot of great creators join in every week for Tea Tuesday. Don't forget, anyone can join in on Tuesday, talk about anything you want as long as it's in good taste. And love you all so much for giving so much love to me in 2023. And I can't wait to share with you lots more of my garden and fairy gardens and cooking recipes and budgeting ideas with you in 2024. Now, let's go see what Grandma's going to share today. And I also want you guys to go over and check out my daughter's channel, Blossom Your Creativity. Here we are together. We made this video back in November, December, somewhere in there. And I'm actually shocked that I have people still telling me they didn't know that that was my daughter. Yes, we've been mother and daughter all of her life. And that's a lot of years, because neither one of us are all that young anymore. But we still are doing things together as a mother and daughter. We're having tea time together for Tea Tuesday. Oh my gosh, and you need to go over and check out her channel. And here's her channel, Blossom Your Creativity. And this is some of the videos she has done. Now, she doesn't do as many as I do. She's a registered nurse. She works very hard, and she has a lot of responsibility. So, go over and give her channel a little bit of love and support. Check out the Christmas Home Tour. Now, go check out her Christmas Home Tour. I don't want to show much of this tour because I want you to go over and watch her channel. Watch that door open. She has a beautiful home. And she did a beautiful job decorating it for Christmas. Go check it out and see what my daughter did. I'm so proud of the work she puts together and all the beautiful decorating time she has put together also. Now, keep in mind, she had COVID at Thanksgiving time. Then 2 weeks later, she got the flu. I don't know how she got this house decorated so beautiful, being sick for so much time in December. But I'm stopping. Go check out her channel. December was a busy month, trying to get everything done for Christmas and finish up videos for the holidays. But we're finally all the way on the other side, and now we're starting to think of 2024. But if you didn't see my daughter's Christmas home tour, please go check it out. It was 8 days ago. I had a problem with my computer and my tablet and still have not got it fixed, and I'll explain later why. And that's how I got this video up twice. Don't know really how it happened. I don't remember having an issue with it. And because I was sick, I didn't even look until it was way too late. And on top of it, my computer has been down about a week and a half. So, can't really fix it either. Don't know where I'm heading, but you know, that's part of YouTube for someone that doesn't know what they're doing. So, if you haven't seen these videos, go check them out. Christmas Day with the family. Family time. And look at my granddaughter and her baby. Isn't this baby the cutest thing you've ever seen? She doesn't even look real even when you see her in person. She looks like a baby doll. Those big blue eyes and that beautiful skin. Oh my gosh, that doll, she looks just like a little doll, even in person. More Christmas time, Christmas night with the family. And my grandson, as you can see here, let every one of the great-grandchildren sit and read for the family a Christmas story. And they all really enjoyed it. They all are such good parents, and their children are very well behaved, considering how many great-grandchildren I had at the Christmas party. They were really good. Look at how well they're acting and behaving. They are just the best kids, and they have the best grandchildren to make sure their children are growing up correctly. They do make them mind. A lot of parents don't. And my children did have children sort of young in their 20s. So we're not going to use the excuse, well, they were young parents, they didn't understand. No, that's not true at all. Young parents can make their kids behave just fine. Don't let anyone use that as an excuse. And then, of course, we had the New Year's Day chit-chat. So I hope you are enjoying all the different things Grandma's putting up. We're going to start doing a lot of things different in 2024. I am going to cut down on how much money I'm spending on my channel, and I'm going to do more content that costs me hardly any money at all, or zero money. So get ready for some changes, but we're always going to do Fairy Garden Thursday. That is one of my favorite things to do, and that's what my channel started out at. And we are going to do more cooking videos. They're being very well received, and they're doing very well. And believe it or not, I actually enjoy doing them. So these are things you're going to still see. We are still going to be going over and doing a lot of garden tours every Saturday, so that's not going to change either. This is what my channel started out as, a fairy garden and gardening channel, and that will continue. The prepping the pantry and emergency food, that will also continue every Friday. Sorry, this last Friday I didn't put a video up. I got COVID from Christmas, and I've been really, really sick. And I wasn't going to go out and try to do any grocery shopping when I have COVID. So that's why no video went up. Budget meals on Wednesday will be also still doing it every Wednesday. I really, really do enjoy doing this. You're asking me, how can that be fun, figuring out a way to make a $5 meal? That's the part that's fun. How can I make a meal for $5? Takes a lot of forethought and really looking around. And sometimes I don't know what I'm going to do until the morning I shoot the video. So that's definitely going to stay. And as you can see, my views are fine. 214 views for 13 days ago. If I make over 200 views, I don't care what the video's about, I'm a happy camper. Most of my videos are between 100 and 150. And as you will see, that's what it is. My goal for 2024 is to have every single video be at least 150 views per video. So that's going to be my goal for this year. And I'm going to see how many I can get for 200 or more. I am getting more of them, and that makes me happy. My views are up, my fellowship is up, and I have more and more people leaving me comments. So I think most people are happy with the content on this channel. We're also going to be joining in with Teeny Tidy Tuesday. I join in it usually once or twice a month, but I'm really going to try harder. Probably at the end of this month and from then on, probably will do almost every week. I'm getting over being really sick, so I doubt I'm going to get much done next week either, but hopefully in another couple of weeks I will feel great again. It's sort of been good that I've had to take a rest. But anyway, these are the kind of channels I like dealing with. These are the kind of challenges I like to deal with. And I really do enjoy all these wonderful creators that I join in with every week. So thank you all for coming by. Thank you for all your love and support. I really do appreciate it. And we're hoping and praying for a wonderful 2024. And don't forget, if any of you have anything to do with Alice in Wonderland, I do Alice in Wonderland every month of April. 30 videos for Alice in Wonderland. Hip, hip, hooray! Hip, hip, hooray! And Grandma's got some new things to share. And I can't wait to see all my friends joining in. Well, bye-bye for now. Until next video. Love you all. Hugs and kisses from Grandma Sandy and Debbie.